Underwater sculptures in St. George's, Grenada. The Molinere Underwater Sculpture Park is a collection of ecological underwater contemporary art located in the Caribbean Sea off the west coast of Grenada, West Indies, and was created by British sculptor Jason deCaires Taylor. In May 2006, the world's first underwater sculpture park was open for public viewing. Taylor's aim was to engage local people with the underwater environment that surrounds them using his works, which are derived from life casts of the local community. He installed concrete figures onto the ocean floor, mostly consisting of a range of human forms, from solitary individuals to a ring of children holding hands, facing into the oceanic currents. Exploring the Grenada Underwater Sculpture Park. At the Grenada Underwater Sculpture Park, you'll now find around 100 individual sculptures, comprising both solo and group installations and covering over 800 square meters of the seabed. The best part is that it's just a 10-minute boat ride from St. George's and 15 minutes from Grand Anse, west of Grenada. So pack your travel and snorkeling gear, head over to Grenada Island, and get ready to see these fascinating sculptures. Vicissitudes. Vicissitudes is one of Taylor's most notable sculptures. Located 5 meters below the surface of the water, it's composed of life-sized figures of local children holding hands and forming a circle. With the concrete sculpture now forming corals, the natural transformation reflects how children can adapt to any environment as they grow up. Grace Reef. Grace Reef is a dynamic installation that consists of 16 female forms that lie on the sand. Unbound and exposed at 4 meters underwater, these sculptures resemble the female form of a Grenadian lady and are meant to evolve as they get covered by sand and corals or rediscovered over time. The Lost Correspondent. This installation, found 7 meters underwater, features a man poised over a typewriter while sitting in front of a desk covered with newspaper clippings. The articles, which date back to the 1970s, include documentation on Grenada's involvement with Cuba. Together, the work draws attention to changes in communication and captures a pivotal moment in Grenada's history. TAM-CC Faces. Thanks to the involvement of students from the local community college, this installation features a diverse collection of life-sized faces molded side by side into a large rock. As species of tunicates and algae gradually take over the concrete, the more these faces will exhibit diversity. The Fall from Grace. More popularly known as the Man on a Bike, the sculpture showcases a life-sized man cycling along the side of a reef. You can find this installation by diving a little over 21 feet below the surface of the water, which could be an adventure on its own. The Amerindian Petroglyphs. The Amerindian Petroglyphs is one of the newest installations in this underwater sculpture park. Fashioned by local craftsman Troy Lewis, it features 14 sculptures based on Amerindian art, culture, and spiritual worship. The Unstill Life. One of the most popular installations in the sculpture park, the Unstill Life, situated over 25 feet below the surface, features a classic still life composition of a vase and fruit bowl on a table. Like the other sculptures found throughout the Underwater Museum, this piece will gradually be colonized by coral, sponges, and other marine life, adding another layer of meaning to the sculpture. The Silent Cry. One of the newest installations, this time by local sculptor René Frulich and local craftsman Jefferson Thomas, the Budgeau of Grenville, the Silent Cry was constructed to represent the organic root system of giant trees in the Grenadian rainforest. It is 7 feet tall and the first of a series of 7 by Frulich. Sienna. Sienna is another sculpture that shows the human form, but with interwoven metal strands. The elegant installation is said to be of a young skin diver from a local story, and its unique construction allows her to be open to the flow of water. Christ of the Deep. This Christ sculpture was dedicated during the 50th anniversary of the Bianca B cruise ship tragedy. It's actually a replica of the one in St. George's, which was purchased to show gratitude to the Grenadians for helping the survivors after the ship sank in October 1961. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.